To play Ghost in the Graveyard, you'll need at least 3 friends and lots of space to run around and hide. Choose an area to be the boundaries of the graveyard, like part of a local park or a few yards in your neighborhood that are next door to each other. Pick one area to be your safe spot, like a big tree or a piece of playground equipment. Next, you'll need to choose a player to be the ghost. You can have someone volunteer or choose them some other way, like playing rock, paper, scissors or eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Once you have a ghost, get all the other players to stand around the chosen safe spot, which will be your home base. The ghost will then go and hide somewhere on the playing field, far away from home base. As the ghost is hiding, have all the other players count 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on until they get to 12 o'clock. Then everyone should shout, "Midnight! I hope I don't see the ghost tonight." Next, everyone leaves the base to search for the ghost. If anyone gets near the ghost will jump out and try to tag them. The first player to see the ghost shouts, "Ghost in the graveyard," to warn everyone else. The other players have to run away from the ghost and return to home base to avoid getting tagged. Anyone who gets tagged becomes the new ghost. If the ghost doesn't tag anyone, the last player to get to home base becomes the next ghost. Keep the game going as long as you like. For an extra spooky variant, try playing the game in the dark and search for the ghost with flashlights. Any player who gets tagged has to turn off their flashlight and become a new ghost. You can also ask one of the players to set the mood with a spooky story before you go ghost hunting.